Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create tables for free in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with unorganized data or cluttered information in your documents, you're not alone. Creating tables can be a game changer, helping to structure your content and make it more visually appealing. Today, we're going to tackle this task head-on, exploring how to easily create and customize tables in Google Docs without spending a dime. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to make your documents look more polished and professional. Let's kick things off by setting up our document. First, you'll need to get into Google Docs, which is quite straightforward. Open your web browser, enter the Google Docs URL in the address bar, and log into your Google account. Once you're in, you have the choice of opening an existing document if you already have something you're working on, or you can create a fresh new document. If you opt for the latter, simply select the blank option from your dashboard to get a clean slate ready for your table creation. Now, let's move on to the actual process of inserting a table. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu toolbar. This toolbar is your command center for all the features Google Docs has to offer. Click on the Insert menu, which will display a list of options. Today, we'll focus on the Table option. Hover your cursor over it, and you will witness a grid pop up. This grid allows you to choose the number of rows and columns you want for your table. As you glide your cursor over the grid, the cells you hover over will highlight, showing you the dimensions of your future table. Once you've decided on the size, click to select it, and just like magic, your table will materialize in your document, perfectly sized according to your specifications. With your table in place, it's time to make it your own. Customizing your table to fit your specific needs is a breeze. Need more rows or columns? No problem. Just right-click on any cell within your table. A menu will appear, offering you the option to insert a row above or below your current selection. If you need more columns, you'll see options to insert a column to the left or right. These features provide you with the flexibility to expand your table as your data grows or changes. Sometimes, you might want to merge cells to create a more cohesive look for certain sections of your table, such as headers. To merge cells, click and drag your mouse across the cells you wish to combine until they're all highlighted. Once they're selected, right-click and choose Merge Cells from the menu. This feature is particularly useful for organizing your table into distinct sections or emphasizing specific parts of your data. Adding text into your table is as simple as clicking into a cell and typing away. Google Docs allows you to edit this text just like you would in any part of your document, giving you the freedom to adjust the font style, size, and color to match your document's theme. For added personalization, consider adding a splash of color to your table. Click on a cell, locate the background color icon in your toolbar, and choose from a vast array of colors to make your table stand out or to differentiate various sections. Lastly, let's talk about further customization options. You can adjust the font properties to align seamlessly with your document's overall look and feel. If you need to resize any cells, simply click and drag their borders to achieve the perfect dimensions. This allows your table to be as dynamic and adaptable as the content it holds, ensuring it fits perfectly within your document. By following these steps, you will have a beautifully crafted and fully customized table in Google Docs, ready to impress anyone who views your document. Enjoy experimenting with these tools and watch as they elevate your work to a new level of professionalism and clarity. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create tables for free in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to create tables for free in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.